What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here's the Sony A6400. If you wanna change the file format, is quite simple. For video, go to menu, go to camera setting and click the page 1. Here you can change the file format. Yeah, I mean it's that simple, I can say. But if you wanna change, for example, you wanna shooting raw or something like that, where we want, okay, we are in D. Go to any like photography mode, aperture mode, click the function key. Here I can change JPEG or RAW. Personally I love shooting JPEG most of the time. So yeah, for video go to menu, camera setting to page 1. For photography, here how you change. Subscribe and bye.